in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose, contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media road. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from UNice Hair. They sent over a curtain bang wig that can come in either a 13x4 and 150% density or a 7x5 that can come in 180% density. I received the 7x5. This unit comes in multiple lengths of 16 all the way down to 26 inches, and I received the 24 inch. This is what Miss Girl looks like straight out of the box. It does come pre-curled, and low-key, high-key, I'm liking the curls that are on this unit. I don't feel like they're too tight and I don't feel like they're too loose, but of course, depending on how it's looking after I comb the unit out, I was gonna say brush the unit out. I mean brush it out, comb it out, whichever. Depending on how it's looking after I brush or comb the unit out will determine whether I go back in and recurl it, but so far, like I said, I actually like these curls. The cap construction for this unit comes with one comb in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps and a silicone strip along the nape of the neck. It also comes with a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. Like I stated earlier, this is a 7x5, meaning you are going to get 7 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. And as you can also tell by the tinting of the lace, this unit has been pre-bleached, so therefore it comes with pre-bleached knots, and it also comes with pre-cut lace. Now I'm pretty sure it also has a pre-plucked hairline, but let's be real, ain't nobody really worried about that seeing this out. It's a curtain bang wig. Speaking about how this unit is a curtain bang wig, it does come with a little complimentary roller in the bang portion. That way she can already be bumped and ready for you as soon as she comes out the box. Those are all of the specs for this unit. Now let's go ahead and install her, and then of course I'm gonna come back with my pros and cons towards the end.
These niggas, don't love these niggas, I don't stop these niggas, do it for fun, don't take it personal. Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, but for no. Give me another value, give me another hour or 2, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hitting me when you know better? You know better, know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby, sure.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from UNice. Before we get into my pros and cons about this unit, I did want to let you guys know that I did go in and cut about 2 inches from the bottom of the unit just because, I don't know, well, scratch that, I do know. I don't like when my units, especially longer units, are just thin and just meh at the bottoms. I like for my units to look as full as possible, so I just always go in and trim the bottom. So yeah, I went in and I cut about 2 inches off the bottom, and then I also went in and added a few more layers to the hair, more so like on the outer parts and then kind of like on the sides. I didn't really touch the back any, and I went in and I added those extra layers just because I felt like it made the hair look better, in all honesty. Like as far as the curls holding, that's what I'm trying to say. As far as the curls holding, yeah, or being more defined, that's also what I'm trying to say. Girl, get it together. I wanted them to like be more defined, hold better, so therefore I went and I added some layers. Okay girl, now enough about that. Let's get into our pros and cons about this unit. We're gonna start with my cons first, and the first one is gonna be that this unit has a lot of filler hairs. Now let me say that I personally do not mind filler hairs. Like, I get the point of them. But I don't know, for me, this unit just had like a whole lot extra filler hairs. And if you don't know what filler hairs are, they're pretty much those like little short pieces throughout the unit to make the hair fuller. I don't know, just this one had more than what I'm used to seeing. Now keep in mind, this is not 100% raw hair, so you're not gonna end up spending, you know, 6, $800, $1,000 on this hair. This hair is very affordable. So of course, you know, it's gonna come with its, well, pros and cons about it. But again, I just felt like I seen more filler hairs in this unit in comparison to other UNice units that I've had in the past. My next con about this unit, and keep in mind, this is like a personal con. I don't know. I feel like they could have done a little bit better when it came to layering this unit. I feel like the layers were like pretty much good up until right here. Then at this point, it's just kind of like, sorry, the unit was just like there. I don't know. I also feel like right here in this area, they even had the shorter pieces for layering, I guess, framing of the unit. I'm not really sure. But it's like, if you're gonna layer a unit, then layer it. Like, don't get too choppy, don't get scissor happy. But you know, like, layer her. But okay, let's go ahead and move on to my pros now. My first pro about this unit is gonna be, for the most part, I do feel like this unit came ready to wear. As you guys saw, I did go in and like try to flatten the top a bit just because I felt like it was a little bit humpy in my personal opinion. And then also the curls, even though they were curled really nice, there were a few like humps, lumps, bumps, I don't know, throughout it. So I just noticed it wasn't coming out with me just simply coming out the unit. So of course I did go in and like recurl it. But if that stuff doesn't bother you at all or a lot, then for the most part this unit was ready to go. Now I will say you are going to have to tint the lace because the lace on this unit was pretty light, or at least it was pretty light on my complexion, which I mean, lace is always light on my complexion, like let's be real. So I just went ahead and took, I was looking for my makeup brush but I can't find it. I went ahead and took my makeup brush and just kind of dabbed that over the lace, and once I did that, it went from like being really light to, I would say, like matching my skin tone for the most part. Another pro for this unit is that she is indeed big head friendly. Now if you know me, then you know typically when it comes to those adjustable straps, I have them on the farthest hooks out. Like I don't want nothing coming in, take it all out. But on this unit, it's actually hooked on it's either hooked on the second one or the third one inwards. So that should let you know she has a lot of room. Another pro for this unit is that I really do like how they cut the bang. I don't feel like she's too short and I don't feel like she's too long either. Now at times it will get in my face, but if I just like use my fingers to like sweep it away, I feel like it's just fine. I don't know. Sometimes I say I don't know a lot, but I do be knowing. But then sometimes I don't be knowing. Anyways, I don't like whenever a company cuts a bang and it's too short. Like sometimes I get a little bit nervous when I get pre-cut bang units, curtain bang units. I get a little bit nervous sometimes because I'm just like, is it gonna be cut to my liking? This one was for sure cut to my liking, and also I like the density of this bang. I don't feel like it's too thick. Like I don't really like a thick, super harsh bang in my face. Like, no thank you. This one, I feel like it's light, it's cute, it's feathery, it's just right. Now these are a few things that I just want to mention about the unit. They're not necessarily a con, they're not necessarily a pro, it's just, well, again, like I just said, some things I want to mention. Keep in mind that this unit is a 7x5, so therefore if you plan on pulling this unit up like I did in a half a pat down, or if you want to fully put it up in a full-on claw clip or a bun, I don't know if you can really put it up in a bun. I mean, you can try, I guess, I don't know. But just make sure that you pull some hairs out on the side, or else you are going to be able to see the sides of the unit. And I mean, it's gonna look pretty obvious that it's a wig. If you want to have a more realistic look, I would suggest getting the 13x4. That way you can, you know, cover your entire hairline when it comes to this unit, or at least when it comes to like pulling the unit up. But I mean, at the end of the day, I say realistic because a wig is a wig, girl. You're gonna be able to see that lace no matter what. I'll also mention that you can wear this unit completely glueless. Like I have no sprays, no glue, no nothing on her currently. Now, would I wear it like this all the time? Absolutely not. Y'all know, or if you do know, I like to wear my units with spray. Like I need to have some type of sticky tackiness, something going on with my unit. Oh, I feel like she's slipping back now. I need to fix her. Hold please. Okay, sorry about that. What I was trying to say is I like to have a little bit of spray to take down my unit to make sure that things like that don't happen. I don't want my wig slipping back in the middle of me talking to somebody, but I do not like to use glue. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to ask them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.